The very first thing you're gonna do is come to this website and get you a free professional email address, not AOL, not Gmail, not none of that. Like, bitch, if you was a doctor, you could probably come over here and get you one. They got ad consultant, ad salesperson, ad representative. Girl, they got ad cat dog, ad cat lover, stuff like that. Find one that is tailored to your brand. Use it for literally everything. You're done with that, come over here, type this in your address bar. We're gonna leave a link below. That email address that you just made for your business over here, right here, take that and come put it right there. Like I said, we're using it for everything. We got an account already, so we're gonna log in. This is what your dashboard is going to look like. Yours is going to say welcome to PayHip. First thing you're going to do is come to account and go to settings and set all of that up before you even start editing your website, so you can just launch and go. Put your company name in there. You're going to have your default URL. Put all your socials. Payment details, they accept PayPal and Stripe. That's how you're going to be getting paid also, so put your details in. That, let me tell you, this service is it's free. I was up out the YouTube, don't do it. It's free. It's free forever. You have to pay a transaction fee of 5%, but that's it. You get unlimited products and you could sell as much as you want. If you want to upgrade, you can, to not have a transaction fee, but price your products accordingly. You'll be good. Put your address in, your store address. If you don't have a store address, use your home address. If you don't want to use your home address, use your local mailing address. Set your tax rates. You can select the type of products you want to apply it to. It's going to automatically calculate the tax rates for you. You can come in. We're going to delete this because it's for demo purposes. If you're going to ship worldwide, make sure all of this is clicked. You don't have to make sure taxes on shipping is, but everything else do. Over here in shipping, if you're not shipping physical products, don't worry about this. Don't even worry about it, sweetheart. You could ship anywhere. You could ship Afghanistan, Canada. Bitch, you could ship Jesus' slippers if you needed to. You could charge flat rate fees. You could do free shipping. You could charge by the weight, by the total, per item. Girl, charge it. Add your rates. If you're going to sell ebooks, this is going to mark your ebooks. It's going to put your customers' emails at the top. That way, if they sell it or share it, you'll know who did it. Come through and check everything else that you need. If you want this right here, if you want your customers to be able to make accounts, make sure you click this to be able to make them log in and all that. You can edit that page right here. This is inside of the Billionaire Baddie Academy. You can come over and you can change the banner. You can upload your logo. You can change the colors. We got to change that pink. You'll see what we mean in a minute. You can change how big your product image is. You can add custom CSS if that's your thing, if you know what you're doing. But if you're here, then you know. This is what it looks like behind the course wall once you're ready to take your course and complete it. And we're going to come back. This is the links that I was talking about. We have to change the color of. If I was an actual customer, though, I would be able to add my own profile picture and all that good stuff. Save your settings. You log in your developer settings. Those are for you. Come over to marketing. You can add coupon codes. You can add social discounts. We can't add social discounts because we have a custom domain. But if somebody shares on Facebook, they get a discount. If you want to hire brand ambassadors, you can. You got to pay them, but you can. You can add your mailing list. You can add cross-selling. If you don't know what cross-selling is basically if they add it to the cart, pop-up is like that going to pop up and they can get a discount. Simple. The referrals, kind of the same thing. It's going to have a sticky tab at the top like so. And if they click it, they can enter their email address. They can send it to a friend, and both of them will get a discount off. You could set the discount codes for all of this. Upgrade, same thing basically. Add some products before you start building, please. Once you're inside the editor, it's gonna look like this. It's not hard at all. This is no code. I like to view from the mobile because everybody shops on mobile. Everybody shops on their phone now. So yeah, but like I was saying, all you gotta do is add a section. That's it. Literally, you don't have to code anything. It's gonna start you off on a collections page, on the all products. Girl, we weren't messing with that, so we came up here and made a custom page. That's what our homepage is. What you see. You're gonna start off with header and footer only. They have sections that you can add, several. We're gonna add a regular image like our main homepage. We're gonna basically duplicate the homepage for y'all. You can see that it doesn't fit. This is what it would look like on my phone. So I'm gonna come down and I'm going to change the section height so it can fit properly. On the color scheme, once you scroll when you change it to white, once you scroll, you see how it changed the header to different color. That's what the color scheme is basically for when you're at the top. I prefer my header to be full width so that my transparent will be my header will be transparent, and then when you scroll you see that. So we're gonna add another section. We're just gonna select the product and put it on there just to show you guys how to do this. I'm gonna come up here and see what it looks like on my desktop. This is also why I said set your products and everything up before you start editing your website so you could just get it done. It'll look like this in 2-column form. You can also add the view all button. If you have more products, you can add that button so they can see everything. Like I said, we're just really duplicating our main page in a way. We're gonna delete all these sections. This is how we like make our little clickable link banners. We're gonna choose our banner. You're gonna see what I mean. And desktop, it'll be completely like full width would have it completely, but that makes it completely like it looks like I literally just wrote on the white background. That's what we got. We're gonna add another section to go under wholesale. We're gonna add a product. You know what, we're actually gonna, since that says wholesale, we got it at the top, but we're gonna put this again, you know, to make it make sense. Changing dollars. Duh. We're gonna click save. Of course. You can add another section and add like your follow me on the gram, like, you know, image, link, banner, whatever. Come down to your footer, make sure you add all your links. You can add a link as so. And you'll see it pops up. You can add your logo, you can add your copyright. This is why I said add your socials in the beginning, because it's gonna pop up automatically at the bottom when you add that. You can change your color scheme if you don't want it to be black. You can change your button colors. You can call and you can change your fonts, your themes. You can change everything. I can go in and I can click the little tab and it'll automatically take me to that section. When you're done, come up here and click publish. You'll see a option to set your domain. We recommend using GoDaddy.com for your domain only. I mean, if you want to get a website from them, by all means do so, but you will be limited. But yeah, that's really it for this video, you guys.
All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you